Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 25th, 2025, about 4 days ago. This paper shows that richer, more diverse test suites and moderately relaxed pass thresholds can break a verification ceiling in synthetic code training, yielding about +3 pass at 1 from better tests and another 2 to 4 points from relaxed or soft verification. The paper is titled, Verification Limits Code LLM Training, and the implications for model training are quite significant. Beyond that, the study maps what, how, and why to verify, finds diminishing returns from sheer test quantity, and shows synthetic tests often miss correct solutions, with roughly half of failures passing expert tests. Alright, that overview set up the problem. Figure 1 shows how test suite design interacts with pass thresholds on the LBPP benchmark. The left side at 100% pass rate places minimal, structured, and contrastive near each other. The right side at 70% pass rate lifts structured the most and gives a smaller bump to contrastive, while minimal slips because weak tests admit noisy code. The pattern supports soft thresholds only when tests are rich enough. So while Figure 1 highlighted how pass thresholds interact with test richness, Table 1 details the evaluation suites and their language coverage. The table lists Big Code Bench, Human Eval, LBPP v2.1, Live Code Bench v5, Mac Eval, and MBPP+, with counts per Python, C++, Java, and JavaScript. The notes clarify dataset focus, such as software engineering scope, difficulty, leakage avoidance, and whether problems are human-written. Alright, the table set the stage with datasets and languages. Figure 2 presents average pass at 1 versus test suite complexity, and the curve climbs from the base model to minimal, then up sharply with structured, and slightly more with contrastive. Structured delivers about +3 points over minimal, because richer tests catch brittle solutions. Contrastive adds roughly 1 more point, which shows benefits taper as strictness increases. Well, Figure 2 showed gains from richer tests. Figure 7 compares those unit test filters with large language model judging. The bars indicate minimal trails at about 0.33, while the structural suite reaches roughly 0.37. GPT 4.1 Mini and Claude 3.7 match that level, so language model verification keeps pace and beats minimal. Overlap stays partial, with about 49% agreement between the two judges and roughly 33% overlap with structural, which signals complementary selection. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Richer, diverse test suites matter more than sheer quantity, and moderately relaxed or soft verification recovers valuable training data without sacrificing correctness. The broader implication is a shift from rigid filtering to calibrated verification with human or model judges, preserving diversity that drives generalization. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.